Hello students, in this lecture we'll see Newton forward interpolation formula. So this Newton forward interpolation formula is going to be used for equal intervals based on forward differences. These formula are established by approximating the unknown function to a polynomial in x whose value coincide with the value of f of x at the specified point of x, that is x0, x1, x2, so on xn. So here the forward difference interpolation formula we are going to use to get what here the proper interpolation, either for interpolation or extrapolation. So here we'll see a Newton forward interpolation formula. So let y is equal to f of x. Okay, so let y is equal to f of x is the function to find the approximate value using Newton forward interpolation formula. The formula is given by, it is going to be denoted as sometimes yr or y of x or. Okay, so these are the two symbols I can say that. So y r or y of x or f of x also is going to be used. So or usually y is equal to also. So it is given by y naught plus r into delta of y naught plus r into r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial of delta square of y naught plus, I will write down here, plus next value is r into r minus 1 r minus 2 divided by 3 factorial delta square of y naught over now delta cube of y naught plus next term if you want. So here first here r minus 1, next is r minus 1 r minus 2, next will be r minus 1 r minus 2 r minus 3 whole divided by 4 factorial of delta 4 of y naught plus so on. So I can say that r minus 1 r minus 2 so on r minus of n minus 1 divided by n factorial of delta n of y naught. So this is the formula for Newton forward interpolation formula, where r is any real number, r is any real number here. So just I will recollect this formula. So the Newton forward formula is given by yr or y of x, which is nothing but y naught plus r into delta of y naught plus r into r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial of delta square of y naught plus r into r minus 1 into r minus 2 divided by 3 factorial delta cube of y naught plus r into r minus 1 into r minus 2 into r minus 3 of delta 4 of y naught plus so on r minus 1 r minus 2 so on r minus of n minus 1 whole divided by n factorial of delta n of y naught. So where r is any real number here. So while solving, so how to get the value of r, you just see here. So r is given by x minus x naught divided by h, where x naught is nothing but initial value of x and h is nothing but step size of x. means for example x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So the difference between that difference of that equal intervals are, so 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, so that is nothing but the step size here. So with the help of this x0 and h, we can get the value of r, and with that r value we need to substitute, and we have to get what here, Newton forward interpolation formula.